Super Chicas, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have a TEMU haul for you. Yes, I'm so excited. I love working with TEMU. If you haven't heard about TEMU, I have worked with them a few times before on my channel, and they are sponsoring today's video. So thank you so much to TEMU for sponsoring today's video and providing me the products to show you guys. Now, before we get into the haul, I just want to introduce you real quick, just in case you didn't know about TEMU, but they are an online marketplace. They have so many different kinds of products, you guys, whether it be bath, beauty, clothing, shoes, bags, like luggage, baby items, pet items, kitchen items. Did I say bathroom items? Decoration, makeup, like so many types of categories, you guys. Literally anything you could possibly think of, they have it on TEMU, especially gadgets. That's one of my favorite things to look at on TEMU because they have so many random little useful gadgets that you never thought you would need, but they would be so helpful to have in your home. And I am going to be having a dedicated gadgets TEMU haul here very, very soon. So if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now so you don't miss any of these TEMU hauls. So like I said, they are an online marketplace. They have really affordable, competitive prices with really high quality products. They're always having a sale with like 90% off. They have free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. And when you guys shop this video, when you buy any of the products that I'm mentioning to you in my video and click the link down below in the description box, you're gonna get an extra 30% off of those products down there. So I will be sure to leave all of the links for you down in the description box and the coupon codes for you so you can shop easily and save tons of money. Also did want to mention that they do have an app. I just recently downloaded it and so much easier to shop through the app than just a regular web browser. All right, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into this haul. For today's TEMU haul, it's gonna be like a bath and body type of haul. I tried to fit everything into categories. I have 4 videos that I'm doing with TEMU, and this is the first one. So I want to show you some like bathroom products that I got this time around. And the first product I'm going to show you is this like memory foam bath mat. So as you guys know, if you watch my vlogs and my other videos, that you'll know that I did recently redo the bathroom downstairs, and I am planning on redoing the bathroom upstairs. So I'm getting some products for the bathroom upstairs. I'm getting it all ready, and I loved this dark gray memory foam bath mat, and it's actually so huge, you guys, especially for the price of this. It's absolutely insane what you can get off of TEMU for such a low price, you guys. So much bang for your buck on this website. I'm obsessed with this website. I'm sure you've seen it on TikTok and YouTube everywhere, but it is just this huge bath mat. It does have like a rubbery bottom here, and that really helps with it not slipping around on the floor, which is great. And I love like just how simple it was. It is so soft and it is squishy. Here is the thickness. Nice and squishy and comfortable to stand on. Here is the next bathroom item I got, but this is a little shelf that you put in your shower, and I noticed that I definitely need some more space for my beauty products in my shower. I'm having a clutter issue, and I definitely need another shelf to be able to put some shampoos and facial cleansers and stuff like that. So I went ahead and got this little corner shelf that you put right into your shower. It is a black wire metal shelf, and it does come with the adhesives and the hooks attached, so you can easily attach it to your shower. There are no tools required with this. It's so easy, and it does have installation pictures and instructions here for you. But I love how, like, I want to say most of the time they always have something for you to install it. They always provide it for you, whether it's a sticky or a screw or whatever it may be. They always have a way for you to install it, so you don't have to go elsewhere to get any hardware. But yeah, for the price, this was absolutely amazing, and I think it looks so clean and chic and modern. Next thing I got for the bathroom is this really cute little soap dish dispenser kit. It comes with a few things. All right, y'all, so this is a 3-piece set for either the bathroom or the kitchen, whatever you want to use it for. But it comes with this really nice little silicone mat, and it's got these grips on it so that the items don't like slip around. But it's just these 2 bottles here. This one says dishes, this one says hands. So I was thinking of using this for a bathroom. You could like put this in your kitchen and then use this and put something else right here for your bathroom. You could literally use this for 2 different rooms for the price of one, and this was so affordable. Or you can just put this right in your kitchen. So I'm thinking I'm gonna actually, I said the bathroom, but you know what? I think I'm gonna put this in the kitchen. And I do have dish soap that's in a bottle, and I'm gonna put it in here because a pump is so much easier to use when you're doing the dishes. I think I'm going to change this out for the kitchen and give it a nice, fresh, sleek look. We are adding a lot of like matte black into our decor in our house, and like how clean does this look, you guys? This is one of those look for less. It is a plastic bottle, but it looks so nice, you guys. Like honestly, just having things matching just elevates your space. All right, this is so funny that I got this on Temu, but I'm telling you, they literally have anything and everything you could possibly need for your house. So I picked up a toilet paper holder. I'm pretty much done with the bathroom renovation downstairs, but I am missing a toilet paper holder. I wanted to get a new one that matched the decor. Like I said, we're doing a lot of matte black. I have a lot of matte black hardware in there. So I went ahead and got this matte black, really sleek, modern toilet paper holder. The best part about it is all you have to do is slide on the toilet paper roll. You don't have to like, you know, mess with it, take it off, you know, the one with the spring. I love this because, you know, your family members hate to put on a new toilet paper roll and they never do it, right? They never do it. But this way there's no excuse because literally slide it off, slide it on, call it a day. And the best part about it is no screws needed. It comes with the 3M sticky foam. This stuff is sticky. And so all you have to do to mount this is peel that off and stick it right to the wall. So easy. There's even instructions, which is so sweet because I really don't feel like I need instructions. It says here that you could screw holes in here if you wanted to, but you don't have to. And I thought this was so sleek and nice, you guys. I love this modern look. I had looked for this in a few other places and it's definitely more affordable on Temu. All right, I got something else. I think I know what this is. I think this is an organizer. Yes. Okay, I went ahead and I got this Scrunchie Organizer. It is a clear acrylic scrunchie organizer. It has this cute little knob at the top to take it off. You put all the scrunchies in here and then you can pull out the one you want, because I feel like it would be annoying if it was just a cylinder, because if you wanted the color at the bottom one day, you'd have to take everything out to get to that color, and nobody's gonna do that. That's not how we do organization here. So I love that there's like actually a hole here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you open the cap, you put all the scrunchies in, and then you can pick from wherever. Me and my daughter have a huge collection of scrunchies. It's just a weird obsession I have, and she has it too, where we just pick up scrunchies and we have a million of them. So hopefully we can fit most of them in here, but I just wanted to add this to my little organization collection, and it was so affordable. Couple of small little things. Again, like, oh my gosh, the price on these is unmatched, you guys. Going back to the bathroom renovation, I need to take out the old grout and I need to re-grout it because it's ugly and mildewy, okay? So this is a grout remover, if I'm not mistaken. And I didn't know that there was such a thing, but I'm positive that it's a lot more expensive at different places. So I went ahead and got it here with Temu. So this is like a sharp, this is plastic, but this is a sharp piece to like get into the grout and remove it. And I'm not sure what, I have to look online again at the directions because I can't remember, but I know that this removes it. So that's what I need to do. That's one of the first steps I need to make in renovating my upstairs bathroom, is removing the grout. So I went ahead and got that little kit. Another thing I got were these little white fuzzy, I don't even know how you call them, but you put them on your wrist, right? So then when you wash your face at night, you know, I have to wash my face twice a day. So when you wash your face at night, you know, when you're doing this and all the water like runs down your forearms and it gets up your sleeve. Oh my gosh, I hate that feeling. And honestly, it discourages me to wash my face at night because of that. So I got these because this catches the water. It catches the water and then it doesn't go down your sleeve. How smart is this? I had to get it and I just loved the white fuzzy. I know the white is probably gonna get super dirty, but they do have a bunch of different colors for you to choose from if you like pink or if you like blue. These were such a good idea. I needed to get them. Another little item I got, a little beauty item, is I've seen girlies use these little puffs to set under their eyes. And there's like a little satin ribbon on the back and you hold it like this and you set under your eyes like that. And I'm very intrigued. I keep seeing it on TikTok. This is a 2-pack, you guys. This was like next to nothing. This costs like next to nothing. It was so affordable. They have larger packs if you want. I decided to just get a 2-pack because I really feel like I don't need that many, but they had like 5 packs or 10 packs. They had more. I just got a little 2-pack and it's black and you just dip it into some powder and set under your eyes. And I really wanted to try it. I've seen it going around and it looks a lot easier because it has the little corner in there. And I'm wondering if it's gonna work better than my makeup brushes. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I've been doing a lot more makeup now. So I've been getting a lot more products that like work better for me now that I'm wearing makeup almost every day. Which, by the way, I've had this makeup on for like 4 hours, so excuse me if it doesn't look that fresh. And this is like the last like beauty-ish item, but I'm sure you've seen this before. I'm sure you've seen it before on TikTok. Again, listen, we all fall for the TikTok trends. I just want to try it, okay? I've been styling my hair a lot more lately now that I have to go into the office and look professional. So I was like, this little kit, I wonder how it does. So I do have a little clip. I'm gonna put an overlay for you guys so you could see how it worked for me. I did not let my hair dry all the way. It's just that the way that this came in the packaging, it looked like a square on my head and it wasn't staying on very nicely. So what I've done is for the past few days, I've put the scrunchies on this and I put it this way so that I could try to bend it. It's kind of like foam in there and I'm just trying to get it bent this way so that it just like fits better to my head. And it does come with 2 scrunchies. They have different colors. If you want pink, they have pink as well. I got the light baby blue because we're having blue vibes in the house and I just thought it was so cute. It is satin, so it's really nice to your hair. It's really good for your hair to have this like slippery satin, and you can sleep overnight with this and have you some beautiful overnight curls. I'm still perfecting my method. It's gonna take me a little while. If you guys use this and you have any tips, then definitely leave them down below. I've just been watching TikTok videos to see how people achieve really nice curls, but it is a learning curve. Okay, so the next product is for the bed, and I've already been using it, so I took it out of the package, but I wanted to just show you. It came in a clear plastic bag and it had these little papers on it. This is a leg pillow. It is memory foam. It is so comfortable, you guys. So it says here, it restores the natural annulment of your spine to help alleviate uncomfortable pressure. Sorry, I could not say that word right there, but this helps with back support, hip comfort, better sleep, cushioned knees, cool, dry comfort. So this is supposed to help you when you sleep, because apparently when you are a back sleeper and a side sleeper, your knees are touching. It's not good for your spine. So I am such a side sleeper and stomach sleeper, and I've been trying to sleep in a healthier way for myself because my back is killing me, and I really wanted to try this out. You guys, I'll tell you what, my husband steals it from me. He loves this pillow. It's so good. So you like put it in between your legs. So this is how you put it in between your legs. It makes it so comfortable, you guys. This is the part that goes where the knees are and like the thighs are over here. And it's so squishy and so thick, and you can unzip this and you can actually wash the cover and see that is the texture. Oh my goodness, you guys, I absolutely love this thing. And probably gonna have to get a second one because me and my husband, we fight over this in the night. One night I woke up at like 2 a.m., went to sleep with this in between my legs, and I was like, where's my leg pillow? My husband was using it, but 100%, if you are a side sleeper, you need this. All right, I have another organization item that I got. I'm very excited about this, and I can't believe it took me this long to get one. I think this is what I'm thinking of, but this is a purse organizer. Yes, okay. So, oh, I love that. It has a little like hanger hook on here. This is what it looks like. It's so big. You can fit 4 purses in here, I believe. Is it? Oh no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can fit 8 purses in here, you guys. Have you ever wondered, where am I going to organize my purses? Where am I going to put them? I have mine in these little cabinets down here, and it's not very effective because I just toss them in there, and I don't want them to get misshapen or anything like that. And this is just a little sleeve pocket for you to just slide your purse right in. All right, I have a little purse here to just kind of like show you a demonstration of what it looks like, but this is actually a pretty large compartment, so I feel like you can fit an even bigger bag in there. As you can see, it goes all the way up here, so you can fit a larger one, and it does open up this wide, and you can do it on both sides. So like I said, there's 8 compartments, but you can just hang this up in your hall closet, in your bedroom closet, and have all of your purses easily accessible and organized. And the last thing I want to show you guys for today's TEMU haul is this ginormous laundry basket, you guys. When it came to me, I'll show you a little clip. It actually was like completely flat and collapsible. So I kind of love how you can collapse this, and it's very thin, and you can stick it somewhere out of sight if you don't want to see a big laundry basket, or you could take it to travel with you if you needed to. It has these big handles, which I love because having the handles helps my kids like carry the laundry basket a little bit easier if they are helping me with laundry that day. And this is the color that I got. It's like a dark gray, lighter gray, and some like canvasy off-white color. And I thought this would go in my bathroom up here to match with the rug that I showed you first, and to just match with more of my home decor. But are you grasping how large this is? This is a big laundry basket, and it was so affordable. I can't believe how affordable it was. I can't believe that this came into the package flat, and it stays sitting up so nicely. I'm really happy with everything that I showed you guys in today's TEMU haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope I showed you guys something new or reminded you of something that you could definitely use in your household. Don't forget to shop those links down below in the description box. Give this a big thumbs up if you love TEMU as much as I love TEMU, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.